this. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Quick, this way!
The fox did say as he ushered Kitty out. He's hiding something sinister. Sinister. No doubt.
Nice to meet you, Detective.
Detective?
That's me, Detective Cox.
I beg your pardon?
Don't worry, you can trust me. I'm a doctor.
I was investigating the death of this chicken when I was somehow knocked out. Chickens don't normally hold vials, do they? I don't know these things.
Don't the red give it away! Big and red! Big red!
Big red, big red, big red, big red. I'm just a boy who's turned to man. I've got the whole world in my hands.
It wasn't me, you must believe.
Tough as stones, rich as kings, our roots.
Cat, skyline, whole
From whence you came.